Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you for joining me here. Please do like and subscribe before we begin, and we are just taking a quick look at XRP here on the daily time frame. We can see here, over the past week or so, we have been ranging in between this level here at around 67-68 cents, this swing low that we made after that huge pump. Made a swing low here, obviously the coiling motion, testing the top, tested the bottom again. And now looking like we are just chopping it up between these two levels, like I said, between that 67 cent level and up towards that 050 Fibonacci, which is at around 73-74 cents. You can see really we have been chopping sideways here. Not that much going on in the markets overall. I'd say realistically, you know, XRP, it's doing fine, isn't it? It's doing what it needs to do. Overall, this huge pump here, I was expecting, you know, a bit more retracement. It's probably going to be a breakout backtest situation, to be honest. I don't think many people want to hear that, but I do think a bit more retracement here is fairly likely, as I said before. Obviously, on the hourly time frame, you can see here, really, the coiling motion, the retest of the high, the retest of the low, and really, since then, we've had very low volume here. Extremely low volume, and, you know, that trickle to the downside that has been ongoing, really. I had this long position that I did, you know, get into when we did come down, test this low again. It's in a little bit of profit right now. I'm going to set the stop loss on it to break even like this. And really, I'm just waiting for a bit more of a, probably a bit more of a bounce at this level. We have bounced here previously, as you can see. And if we head up towards that 050 there, I'll probably consider closing this like this. Just because I'm not convinced that we're probably going to go up too much. At the minute, really, we are chopping sideways. The market's very stagnant at the minute. We're waiting for the whole of, you know, crypto really to do something. A quick look at Bitcoin will confirm that for you. You can see here Bitcoin really, a very nice little back test down to that level on Bitcoin, which is interesting. You can see here, chopping sideways, we come down, chopping sideways, back test, bounce to the upside. You know, we're really just going sideways, aren't we? We've been going sideways for fucking ages, to be fair. And we're not going to see much in the way of big pumps either way, in my opinion, until we see ourselves moving in, schmoving in a particular direction for Bitcoin. It'll be interesting to see what happens next. I'm feeling quite good about XRP for the long term for sure. And overall, I would say, you know, these charts right now, we're just very reliant on Bitcoin really, or another SEC piece of news for XRP to move. So that's it. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Check back every day for a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.